Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit those post notification bells so that you get notified as I post another video, guys. Remember, you can follow me on other platforms at Fanika TV, but on Facebook you can find me at Erica Shackelford. Yes.
So yeah, guys, currently right here, my mic, I don't know what happened, but my mic stop work. So the video silent. So right here, so guys, may I cut up the pork. Yeah, guys. I cut up the pork because I cook stew pork with rice and peas. So right here, so you can see me, I cut up my pork. Yeah. And the pork soft, so it's easy to cut. So yeah. I cut up the pork. Me never did realize that they might never did it on my clothes. As you guys can see, they might not did it on my clothes. But even when we go back and put it back on my clothes, it's still never that work. Yeah, guys, see them right here. So still I cut up the meat. One thing me love that piece of pork here because it never too bony and it never too fleshy either. It just have a good mixture. Yeah, guys. So I'm just do one voiceover because none of the video have no sound. The first part I didn't have no sound because I never realized it. The mic maybe it never connect good or no, but it never had work. So I have to do voiceover. Yes, you know the girl outside I cook some pork. I will get myself one of them chopper there. And get just put on the meat pan something there. So yeah, guys. Yeah, we still a cut up meat same way. Still a cut up. Chef. See, hold them. Go look that the meat they done gone with you. Chef. It in the kitchen. Chef in the kitchen. Yeah, guys. So what I was saying in the video, was you guys. I'm gonna be putting my Patreon's link. I met them who said they can click my Patreon's link and join my close friends, guys, for my YouTube channel. So yeah, we still a cut up meat. We spend obviously we spend like 10 minutes. I cut up the meat. Cause me I use the knife and then the knife not really sharp like that. So it kinda take a time for something there. I try to read my lip to see what me I say right here. So yeah, I guess me that say the pork pretty. Yeah, as you guys can see, pretty pork. Nice. Me like it. It's pretty. Cause today me have on the mic, but the mic never work. I don't know the mic malfunction. Yeah, guys. So right here, so now me change the container with the pork in. And I go season it. Cause you know, say you have to season up your pork. Nice. Yeah. You have to put good amount of season upon it. One thing when I love when I season pork, when I season up your pork, it smell like it don't cook already. So if you are season your pork and it don't smell like that, you want more season upon it. So yeah, guys. That is some soya sauce. That is some spur tree, pork seasoning. Yeah, I'm gonna put jerk and then I shake it up. That's why I like that container. I can cover it up. I get to shake up all of the season mixing, right? Shake up. I will pop on me lose just a shake up in meat, you know. Yeah, guys, so we shake up the meat. I go open it now and look funny. So I cover it back there. It I go marinate. So I say, yeah, guys, I left it make it marinate, make it take it. Although this, me should have seasoned this for overnight, guys. It's good to season your pork overnight. Yeah. Season up the pork. So right here, so now, guys, we have cooked up some onions. Yeah, we have put some good traditional Jamaican seasoning pan your meat. Yeah. We have put some onions, guys. Me like to cook with onion. But me notice wrong with the onion now make me cry again. Me don't know. How much it water? Water did in that little container, yeah, red and white container. Yeah. Water did in ice. So okay, so that's why me never had a tear up. So yeah, guys, we have cut up one whole onion because as me say, the pork need a lot of seasoning. So yeah, guys, we have cut up that. Yeah. Cut up. Alright, guys, so you also know me I go add in, I guess me I add in the onion in the container. So yeah. And the reason why I not put no browning pan the pork is because I already put the soya sauce. And the soya sauce I've been browning, and then the next the spiritual seasoning too. I guess it have been browning because it did already. He already brown. You don't need no. See there? Look how pretty. Never need no browning. Pretty. Yeah, cover it up back. Cover it up back. Okay, so right here, so now, guys, we are gonna cut up the tomato. Yeah, we are cut up some tomato. On for my pork. I first say me a device over, you know. But me I tell a story. Yeah. Mother called me a while ago for a piece of ginger. You know, so I go for ginger. Because ginger tastes nice in your pork. Yeah, guys. So me I cut up more everything at the tomato, more the seed, everybody in it. So me a piece of scallion. I put some scallion. The Americans then call it green onion. So yeah. I cut up some green onion. And you see how this sky back at me dark. Guys, a pear rain we get. Ning rain we get yesterday. Ning rain straight yesterday. And today, right now, yeah. So, you know, so I'm mixing everything. So yeah, I cut up some thyme. Yeah, guys, we cut up some thyme. Give it a nice flavor. Give it a nice flavor. Time then tough when you cut them. You have to use strength and something. Yeah. So we cut up piece of scotch bonnet pepper. One thing, guys, the pepper they no pepper. The pepper they not pepper, guys. The pepper they not pepper. Okay, how much pepper you put in your food in a pepper. But you know, nah pepper at all. So me I cut up the ginger, yes. So normally me that grate the ginger, guys, but me decide to cut it up instead. Cause me never feel for go for now. Grater for grater. So me I mix up. This is my last mix up in my pork. Last mix. Yes, me I show no pretty. Yeah, smells good. Smell good. And that's why me I dancing, guys, cause it smell good like me coulda eat it. But Guys, alright guys, so right here, so now me I broke one coconut. Yes, cause you know see you can't cook rice and peas without coconut. So yeah guys, they are broke coconut. I don't know, but anytime me I broke coconut, it always give me problem, but it broke. And the water did nice. Me like the water. Don't tell me a native coconut that guy water did nice. I always notice the native. Water always nicer than the regular. It's a continuous action. It's still happening. You're performing right now through the act of consciousness itself. Feel your power. Yeah, water nice. Right? Yeah, that me tell you right here, so. When you see me mouth and move, tell me I tell you say water nice. Like blood flowing back into a limb that's been asleep. Remember how you wash off me heart. Yeah, wash off me heart, guys. Not by hoping, by being. When you were pure consciousness, you didn't wish for light. You became light. You didn't request creation. You were guys, so that's the last, eh? Alright, guys, so right here, so now, you know, so we are going to grate away coconut. We could have blend it, you know, but I have to go cut you up fine just to blend it. So might as well just grate it and done. So yeah, guys, we are blend up. We are grate the coconut now. Yeah. I don't know if you don't know this, guys, but when you don't grate a coconut, you can mix it with sugar and eat it. It's a nice little treat. Yeah. Hey guys, and when you're not grate a coconut, you don't have to protect your hand them along. Sorry about that, somebody was calling. Why don't people always call me and I hang up the phone? Something wrong with them? If me call somebody one time and they hang up, I don't see why I go call them one second time. So yeah guys, I grated the coconut. Guys, so yeah, so now we still a grate a coconut. Still a grate a coconut, guys. It take a while to grate your coconut, so yeah. That's why most people blend it, but to me it don't really make no sense you blend it, because when you blend it, you still have to end up do much work same way, because you have to go cut you fine. Because you can't put the whole in a blender. No. It depends, still, it depends on what kind of blender you have, because some people have some power blender where we can blend things, but I want a little one me have, so me have to cut up for me coconut in there for get it. So hey guys, we are blend. Yeah, we are greater. Yeah guys, so right here, so now right here, so now me just set up the fire. Me make sure you say all the ashes blow out at the fire. So my kind of blow up. Alright, right here, so now guys, me I tell you how tough say the coconut oil is tough, because Jamaica cold. So all our tax in Jamaica had to no, we are freeze right now, we're cool. Cause see the coconut oil cool, guys. Me have to take it, put it near the fire. Me have to put it near the fire for something there. I put it near the fire for it melt, cause it freeze up. See that take time and move it when me knock it so. We'll put it near the fire for kind of cool. See if the fire can eat it up. Alright, so right here, so guys, me have to move the pot, put on the veranda, because the rain did a fall. Yeah, as me say, yesterday was a very rainy day. So I already did start my video, so me not see why me should continue my video. Yes, sorry guys. So me I put the pork in the pot. So yeah guys, still put the pork in the pot. Me just change the angle of the video. That's when you can see me. The meat look nice. Smell up your nose. Yeah, I can still, I have Megan Thee Stallion leg them, so I have to sit down. Yeah guys, so we have put everything in the pot. Everything. One by one. One by one, we come up the hill. Now we cover it up. Cover it up and then, yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm here just giving it a little stir. You see, it is the fry, guys. The fry. As you can see, the color change. So when me use the soya sauce, you don't really need to put no brown in. So yeah, cause the brown, me I show no say brown. Yeah, never need no soya sauce. Yeah. So not only chicken alone, me can cook pork too. Usain Bolt in the middle lane. It's Goulet in Azerbaijan and out to France. Mullings of Jamaica. Spearman USA. Bolt Jamaica. Edwards Panama. Clark USA. Crawford USA. The world record holder in the one full stop against Belarus. But only seconds this time, and here's the big man. Already up on Edwards. Already up on top. The rest of the field have been left behind. Fast run by Mullings from Spearman inside it. And here comes the great man. Usain Bolt charging down the straight. The best they can. The other men are trying to follow it. Mullings will still. Spearman finishing fast. Bolt wins. Bolt wins. And Bolt has smacked his own world record. Just as he did in Beijing. He gets world records in both the 100 meters and the 200 meters. It was 1930 in Beijing. It's 1920 here. We dare to dream, and he has provided an epic moment once again here in Berlin. This man is just out of this world. The entire for that new world record. Another there, 1990. That's the number to remember, isn't it? But on that Usain, what insane, Bob. This is ridiculous. You can't keep breaking world records as easy as this guy does. He turns it on. Beautiful run.
I landed on the cover of the city's fashion magazine that night. The next day, my boss was furious when she saw the magazine. She vowed to take down the woman who stole her thunder. She tried to find out who the mystery woman was, but she found absolutely nothing. She never suspected it.